As a family-owned and operated company, Poltrona Frau helps you transform your living spaces. From leather sofas to room accessories, the furniture you'll get is custom, unique, high-end. It's quintessentially Italian, and from a brand that celebrates its 110th anniversary in 2022.
The company was born in 1912 and it's now close to be 110 years old. Over this long period of time, the company has evolved in many dimensions. It was born as an Italian company, as a small workshop in Turin, serving the needs and the taste of a selected number of Italian customers, and now is a global company that is spread over more than 100 countries worldwide. Since its birth, the company has selected leather as its main upholstery material. Leather is a natural material that is a byproduct of meat industry, and through the tanning processes it becomes a very durable and sustainable for a long time. The word leathership that we have trademarked testifies our continuous attention and engagement towards a sustainable development of this natural material. Poltrona Frau works only with the best Italian tanneries that can ensure the most sustainable control of the whole process, from farming to the end product.
With their manufacturing headquarters in the heart of Italy and multiple flagship showrooms around the United States and abroad, Poltrona Frau brings natural, top-quality materials like leather, wood, marble, and metals to homes, luxury car, automotive, and public spaces worldwide. It is a company that uses those noble materials coupled with continuous R&D and supports the circular economy and sustainability like no other.
The artisans that work for Poltrona Frau represent a tradition of craftsmanship in working leather that goes back to the Middle Ages, when it was applied to shoes, bags, and leather apparel. This tradition is now complemented with the most up-to-date technologies that come from the automotive industry and enable a unique blend of craftsmanship and technology that makes Poltrona Frau product really unique. We developed the Quick Ship program to meet the needs of our customers in North America. It is a selection of the most desirable Poltrona Frau products in the most popular configuration and finishes. And the most important thing is that these products are available throughout all destinations in North America in a one-week lead time.
From residential to commercial, custom handmade leather furniture and accessories can change the look and feel of a room. With their Interiors in Motion division, Poltrona Frau even designs and develops interiors for the luxury automotive and commercial aviation industries, from the gorgeous interiors of Ferrari to the first-class cabins of Singapore Airlines and Etihad Airways.
In its long history, Poltrona Frau has evolved to become a brand that is synonymous with quality and Italian elegance. And for this reason, it has been the preferred partner to many prestigious brands in the automotive industry, like Ferrari and McLaren or Range Rover, to name a few. Also in the aviation sector, we have partnered with companies like Singapore Airlines and Etihad Airways for the development of first-class cabin. The secret of Poltrona Frau success over its long history, it has always been to be contemporary in its time. We will bring forward our heritage and continue to invest in research and development in order to offer more and more customers around the world the opportunity to enjoy our products and benefit from our services. We will maintain our promise to make our customers' lives more pleasant and enjoyable through products that are beautiful, functional, comfortable, and overall sustainable.
If you've got a bedroom-turned office or a brand new home that needs furnishing, or a theater, flagship showroom, or major public space project, everything you get from Poltrona Frau will be unique and timeless. To order or customize furniture, visit their website at poltronafrau.com or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.